Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how you can send a voice message on Discord using your PC or laptop. So here, when you open your Discord, you cannot see a specific mic where you can send a voice message, but I have an alternative way for you to do. So first, you just have to open the recorder or the voice recorder of your PC or laptop, and then you can save the file. Now you just have to click on this plus icon right here and then click on upload file, and you have to go to your folder and select the voice record that you have recorded. So just click on it and then click on open. Now you'd be able to see it right here. Now click on the enter, and then the voice record will be sent to your recipient. Okay, so let's preview this one. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.